In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maintain stock in Microsoft Excel. If you're tracking inventory in Excel, one of the most important things you need is a simple way to calculate your current stock automatically. This makes your sheet easier to update and helps reduce manual errors. In this example, we'll focus on the current stock column and use a basic formula that updates the available quantity based on your stock entries. To begin, go to the first cell in the current stock column for your data row. In that cell, enter this formula, equals D2 plus E2 minus F2. This formula is used to calculate the current stock by taking the value from column D, adding the value from column E, and then subtracting the value from column F. The idea here is very straightforward. You're combining your existing stock with any added stock, then subtracting the quantity that has been released, sold, or used. As a result, the current stock column gives you the updated balance for each item. This is a simple but effective way to maintain inventory in Excel, especially if your worksheet is organized row by row. After typing the formula, press Enter. Excel will calculate the result immediately for that row. Before moving on, it's always a good idea to quickly check that the numbers in columns D, E, and F are correct, because the formula depends entirely on those values. If any of those entries are missing or incorrect, your current stock total will also be wrong. Once the first formula is working correctly, copy it down for the remaining rows in the current stock column. You can do this by selecting the cell with the formula and dragging the fill handle downward through the rest of your data. Excel will automatically adjust the row references for each line, so the next row will use that row's values, and so on. This saves time and keeps your stock calculations consistent across the entire worksheet. It's especially useful when you're managing multiple products or inventory records because you only need to create the formula once and then apply it to the rest of the list. And that's it. You've successfully set up a simple stock maintenance formula in Microsoft Excel. With this approach, your current stock can update quickly and clearly as long as your incoming and outgoing values are entered properly. Thank you for watching.